I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. Whoa! Hope everyone is feeling good. Today's smoothie for lunch or breakfast, depending on when you had your meal and when you didn't. I elected to have my leftover meal this morning. This is Let It Go Diet, 21-day recipe plan. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Much appreciated. Okay, this smoothie is packed with hemp protein. Hemp and plant-based protein powders are not the same. So follow along with our recipes because we call for hemp and we call for other protein. In a pinch, just use one or the other. I'm using hemp 21 days all the way through. Hemp protein powder is plant-based and has all the essential amino acids. One other tidbit that we mentioned is hemp seeds are also a good source of healthy fatty acids, which may reduce inflammation and reduce the risk of heart disease. Day 6 on our recipe, day 6 breakfast, calls for 1 frozen banana, 2 cups of loosely packed spinach, a half a cup of carrots shredded, 2 tablespoons of hemp protein. This scooper is 2 tablespoons. 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. However, I am going with fresh turmeric to add in, just because I had some fresh turmeric left over. 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes, and this really smells delicious. This is coconut flour. The store did not have coconut flakes. Or they did, but I think it was like $3 or $4. It was probably like $4 for the flakes, and for the flour it was in bulk, so it was like just 50 cents. All right, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of ice. Before we get to that, we'll add in our 1 orange juice. Again, if you have a manual juicer with that accordion dome that you can squeeze it out, that's preferred. I'm hand squeezing it and using a tea strainer. Okay, we added the orange. Next up is a cup of water and a cup of ice. I'm adding in another 5 or 6 ice cubes to make a total of 1 cup. Plus, I like my smoothies really cold. And now a cup of water. Always make sure the lid is on the blender. Good tidbit. Okay, we just finished blending our Eye Gone Bananas Smoothie. Love the name. Make sure you have a good blender. Any blender will do. However, if you're going to incorporate protein drinks or eating clean with smoothies, it's really nice to have a blender with a lot of horsepower because it really emulsifies everything and will make your smoothie creamy. As always, we do a taste test with the Let It Go Diet on camera. Look at the bright green. Look how bright and green that is. It's going to be super tasty. Coconut, bananas, hemp, spinach, carrots, orange, the coconut flakes. I think I already said that. Anyway, let's give it a taste. Very smooth, very healthy. Let It Go Diet. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Tune in next time.